Our Suncor Energy trade has now made more than 200% profit, and we just detected another wealthy investor placing a $2.5 million options trade in Suncor Energy stock. So the big question is, are we closing our previous trade to take profits or staying in for more gains? So in this video, we'll answer that by showing you how we updated our options trade based on the latest data in order to manage risk and protect gains, a smart risk management approach that can be applied to other trades as well. This risk management strategy allows us to capture additional profits if the stock continues to move higher while taking no loss if it drops down lower. But here's the thing, to set the strategy up successfully, it's important to position early, just like the wealthy investor we've been tracking, the one who led us to this winning trade. And so, if you've been following our work or subscribed to our channel, you'll know that on this day, January 14th, when the stock was trading around $50 per share, we detected an unusual trade placed by that same wealthy investor. This was the video that we shared on our channel where we analyzed a $1.1 million options trade to determine whether Suncor Energy stock was still a buy at new highs, even while technical analysis was flashing an overbought sell signal that warned investors to stay away. But after we analyzed the data, the unusual options trade was clearly flashing a buy signal, indicating the stock was more likely to continue moving higher. So we bought call options based on our analysis. And as it turns out, that analysis was correct and highly profitable because Suncor Energy stock is now trading much higher, recently hitting a new high at $70 per share compared to $50 when we first shared our video analysis. So this trade has truly paid off big, even if you only bought the stock instead of the options. So if you want to learn how we follow these wealthy investors and turn their trades into our own profits, we'll link this video at the top. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities. Now, keep in mind, even if you're subscribed to our channel, you could still miss out on these profitable trades. That's because we don't always have time to make videos. We spend most of our time analyzing data for the exclusive trades we share inside our membership. That's why we use email alerts. They're the fastest way to share trades, even when there's no time to make a video. And so if you want access to more of these profitable trade opportunities, including email alerts, consider signing up for our free newsletter on our website. We'll link it up here. It's simple, quick, takes less than a minute, and best of all, it's completely free. No credit card, no paywall, just raw data-driven trade alerts based on unusual option activity, emailed straight to your inbox. And if you want full access to all of our trade alerts, including real-time updates, detailed analysis, and earlier entries, consider joining the membership. Members get earlier access to trades like this before anyone else, even before we share them in our free newsletter or on our YouTube channel. So if you're tired of being late and want more time to act on these opportunities, this is your chance to get direct access to the trades of wealthy investors and potential insiders so you can see what the smart money is doing before the trade becomes highly profitable. Now, speaking of profits, how much did this trade actually make? Because understanding the size of that profit is what allows us to get the best of both worlds, closing our trade to take profits, but then opening a new trade to stay in so we don't miss out on more gains. And so, if we had simply bought the stock by using shares, you can see here that we would have gained around 26%. But since we used call options instead of just buying shares, our profits were even higher, thanks to the leverage that options provide to amplify returns, capturing even bigger gains. And so, let's take a look back at our original trade highlighted in our previous video, analyzing the same options that a wealthy investor was trading. These December 18th options at the 55 strike calls, priced at $310 per contract when we entered this trade. And remember, this shows option prices, So we either move the decimal 2 places to the right or multiply by 100 since each option contract controls 100 shares of stock. That means each option contract initially costs $310. And so on this graph, our profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading over here, and the y-axis represents the amount of profit or loss. Keep in mind, this graph already includes the cost of the trade. That's why you can see on the blue line that if the stock had dropped down, it would have been a negative $310 loss per contract, the entire cost of the trade. But instead, it went up higher to about here. So we have a profit of $855 per contract. And so to calculate the profit percentage, we take the profit of $855 and divide it by the initial cost of $310 and then multiply by 100 to express it as a percentage, and that gives us a return of 275% profit. And remember, the stock itself only gained 26%, but by using options instead of just buying shares, we leveraged that 26% move into over 10 times the return. That's the power of leverage in options trading. And so this is yet another real-time example of how we keep winning using data-driven analysis and trading strategies that track the trades of wealthy investors. Because understanding where smart money flows gives us deep insights into potential stock moves in the market. The rich often have more access to exclusive research and information, sometimes even leaked insider information that help them make better, smarter financial decisions. This is how smart money always stays one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so if you want to get access to more of these insights from the rich, then just head over to our website. We'll put a link up here where you can see exactly which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street and when they're doing it, so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now, with that being said, not all trades by wealthy investors are winners. Some end up as losses. Nobody wins on every trade. That's just the practical reality of trading. And so to stay consistently profitable over the long run, we use strategies with a better risk-reward ratio to maximize profits and minimize losses. So as a real-time example, let's go over how we used new data to adjust our trade here, turning it into a strategy that gives us more upside potential while managing risk to reduce possible losses. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, there was unusual option activity on June 8th at 12:26 p.m. at the 11-second mark and 11:39 a.m. at the 16-second mark for these January 21, 2028 options at the 85 strike calls. What stood out here is that hundreds and even thousands of contracts were being traded multiple times at around the same price, about $5.10 each. And because each options contract controls 100 shares, that means $5.10 per option equals $510 per contract. And so to estimate how much this wealthy investor spent, we can multiply this price per contract by the total number of contracts traded. So how many contracts did they trade? Well, let's dive deeper into the data. As we can see here on the option chain, for the January 21, 2028 options at the 85 strike calls, there are now around 5,000 contracts open. So to calculate this out, we take 5,000 contracts multiplied by $510 each, which equals a total trade cost of approximately $2.5 million. But keep in mind, just because a trade is large does not necessarily mean it has a high probability of profit. In fact, this one carries more risk than the smaller, more selective trades we share on our website. And so, if you want to get access to those lower risk trades with a higher probability of profit, then go to our website. The link is in the description below. Now, with that said, Even though this trade carries higher risk, we still took it, but only because we locked in profits from our previous trade by using an options rolling strategy to reduce exposure and manage risk. So let's go over exactly how we did this. We opened the same position here, marked as POS, with the green color indicating our buy position. So we bought these 85 strike calls. But remember, we rolled into this new position from our previous trade, so we need to include that as part of the overall trade. As we can see here on the option chain, our previous trade was in these December 18th options at the 55 strike calls. And notice here that these contracts are now worth between a bid-ask price of $1,130 to $1,200 compared to just $310 when we first bought these contracts. That's why this trade has now returned a 275% profit. And so we started closing some contracts here by selling them and locking in profits. Then we rolled part of that profit into a new trade with a higher strike price and a later expiration date, the 85 strike calls expiring January 21, 2028. In other words, we opened a new trade that cost less than what we received from selling our previous trade in the 55 strike calls. That means we entered this new trade at a credit, not a debit, reducing our risk by using only the gains from our earlier trade. And so when we analyze our trade now, we can see here on the risk profile graph, the buy position cancels out the sell position because they are the same December 18th options at the 55 strike calls. So now we are only left with the 85 strike calls that expire January 21, 2028. And so on the graph, we can see here that if Suncor Energy stock drops from where it is now, or even crashes, our trade would not have any negative loss. It will always stay positive because we've locked in more profits than the cost of our new trade. This is how we manage risk by minimizing losses, and in this case, we completely eliminated any possible loss while still staying in the trade to gain more profits if the stock moves higher. But keep in mind, this risk-free strategy was only possible because we followed a wealthy investor early, back on this day, when the stock was hitting new highs and technical analysis was flashing an overbought sell signal, warning investors that it was not a good time to buy. But that's not what the smart money was doing. They were buying, and so were we, along with our members, as the stock continued moving higher, making new highs, and now returning a 275% profit on our trade. So if you missed our previous analysis, we'll link that video here so you can see how we first entered this trade, which is now essentially risk-free and leaves us open to more potential gains with no additional capital at risk. For more strategies backed by our deep analysis and trade alerts, visit our website. We'll link it here. Take care and have a wonderful day.